Hey guys, my name is Shelly Verma. I am an artist and a creative head. So, these are my work. I do painting on walls, canvas. I do different mediums like texture painting, oil painting, acrylic painting, and a lot of more. Guys, nowadays I am not working upon the wall art, but nowadays I'm giving online classes, right? So if you want to attend my classes, so you can join my classes. These are my wall art, canvas painting, now Spider-Man painting and Captain America. So I work on residential basis also and commercial work also, and I am a creative head in a school. So you can get my contact number from here. Now you will see my students' work. I am giving classes on online on Zoom app, and students are really enjoying it. They are learning all the mediums. I am starting from basic to high level. Students love our classes and I love to teach them. This is a canvas painting on a board, canvas board, and the student is really enjoying it. This is another student, a bright child. Now my students are even have their own channels on YouTube and they are doing wonderful job. This is white mark pencil on blackboard. This is clay work, this is sketching. Students love sketching and painting, art and craft a lot. Art actually improves the concentration in the child's mind, and it really helps to grow imagination. I will be happy that if you will join my classes. So thank you so much for watching my video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.